How much longer?
As long as it takes.
I'm hungry.
Me too. I don't care.
So, if you could have any biscuit right now, what would it be?
Are you serious?
Yeah. Come on, it's not like we're going anywhere. What biscuit?
Well, depends on the weather.
What?
Well, I eat different biscuits, whether it's hot and sunny, or raining, or cold.
Understood. So, custard creams?
That'd be a hot and sunny biscuit. Raining would be a chocolate hobnob with tea.
Yeah, I get that, but I might go with a jammy Dodger or a ginger nut. What about cold and snow? Where'd you stand, biscuit-wise?
Biscuit-wise, I would have myself a chocolate biscuit with a caramel center.
Oh, that is a really good biscuit. I'll be back in a minute. Don't do anything stupid.
Now's our chance.
Are we waiting for biscuits? Ow, that hurts!
Serves you right. It's your fault we're in this mess in the first place.
Is not.
Is too. If it wasn't for your big drunk mouth, I'd be all the way to Mexico by now, rich beyond my wildest dreams. I knew I should have hit that bank by myself.
Are you saying you're doing the next job without me?
I have two possible accomplices for my next heist. One is a vile repository of bile and filth with a stench that could fell an ox, and the other says property of Sheriff Gordon on the bottom.
So who's winning?
You search the desk, see if you can find our guns. I'll try the doors. Door's locked. We need to find another way out of here. You got anything?
Well, there's this here copy of Saloon Girls Weekly. But the pages are stuck together.
Uh-huh.
We got the sheriff's lasso there, and what is this here? It's our wanted posters. This is yours. Shotgun Sally, dangerous outlaw. Reward $5,000.
Yeehaw! 5 big ones! I must be the most wanted outlaw on the frontier. How much you get?
Doggy Polly, sidekick, reward $9.
Sounds about right.
$9? Well, that's loads less than yours.
I'm Shotgun Sally, scourge of the Wild West. You're just a sidekick.
But I'm a gunslinger.
I've slung guns with Jesse James, Wild Bill Hickok, and Butch Cassidy. The last time you heard someone say draw, you grabbed a pencil. You ain't no gunslinger.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, why don't you look and see this then?
Doggy Polly, that is the most disgusting thing you have ever done with your mouth. And if the girls at the saloon ain't lying, it has some stiff competition.
You know what, Sally? You know what? One of these days you're gonna need your sidekick, Doggy Polly. Mark my words.
Doggy.
Sally, no. I am a gunslinger. I have devastating plans. I could have
Doggy.
any saloon girl I wanted if I chose.
Doggy.
I could have this.
Hey, Sally, put your hands up where I can see them. Huh? Yeah, that's right. I tell you what, you two are for the hangman.
Oh, I'm allergic to rope.
What's wrong, Doggy? I thought you was a gunslinger. Ain't you got some genius plan?
I mean it, Sally. I'll blow this guy's brains all over these walls.
His brains couldn't cover a teaspoon. Come on, Doggy. Sheriff ain't got all day.
Hey, you're not getting away from me, I swear. I tell you what, I will shoot. God damn you! You're going with me as well.
Get him, Doggy.
Sally. You know what? Some folks say that I'm a quart short of a 10-gallon hat, but I think I turned out all right. When I was on the phone with my mom and pa,
Sheriff must have called for backup. Doggy, I think this is gonna have to be one of those guns blasting halo bullets kind of exits. Sound good?
Sounds great. Hey, you think we can tell the spittoon he's out of a job?
Never had a chance. You ready?
Oh, yeah.
Yeehaw, amigo! We're all